a vector p bar when added to sum of vector p bar added to sum of 2i plus 3j plus k plus minus 3i minus j plus k will give a unit vector along x-axis, means I cap. So many times I have asked. So p bar plus 2 minus 3 is minus I plus 3 minus j minus 3 minus j is minus 4j plus k is 2k equal to I cap. So p bar will be I cap, this goes here, plus I cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. So this will become 2I cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. This is the answer. We want what is magnitude. So magnitude will be root of 2 square plus 4 square plus of minus 2 square. 4 plus 16 plus 4. That is root 24. Root 24, option C.
Done, sir.
48. What is projection of vector 3i plus 4k on y-axis? First, see what is meaning of projection. Suppose this is one segment AB. I want to project on x-axis, then I have to draw this perpendicular. This is called as projection. So if you see carefully, that is nothing but cos wala component, theta ka बाजू में है ना ये. So is it cos component projection?
Yes.
Yes.
So whenever they say find component of A on B, that means A cos theta. Find projection of A on B, that means A cos theta. On Y if you are projecting तो ऐसा जाएगा ना ये. So this will become our projection, correct?
Yes.
So projection of a vector on another will be its component. This you have to remember. So y-axis can I call as j cap?
Yes.
Just to make in terms of ij cap. So y-axis we can call j cap, x-axis we can call I cap, z-axis we can call k cap. So I am telling let b bar equals to j cap. So that means now you want projection of A on B, correct?
Yes.
So what is A bar dot B bar ka formula? Is it AB cos theta?
Yes. AB cos theta.
So who is our projection of A on B? A cos theta
A cos theta.
will be A bar dot B bar upon B or not?
Yes.
That is 3I cap plus 4K cap dot J cap upon root of 3 square plus 4 square root of 1 square. So 3 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 4 into 0 upon 3 square plus 4 square will become 5. So answer is 0 upon 5. That means 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So answer is 0. Meaning of projection means cos component. Once you complete, tell.
Sir, can you explain the projection part again, please? I got a little confused.
Projection means actually when you draw perpendicular, that is called projection. तो इसको ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट किया, ये इसको, ये AB को प्रोजेक्ट किया इधर इधर, तो ये बन गया प्रोजेक्शन, ये बन गया अपना प्रोजेक्शन. तो ये थीटा का बाजू वाला क्या रहता है? कॉस है ना, तो ए कॉस को प्रोजेक्शन बोलते हैं.
Okay, understood.
Done, sir.
Done.
Okay. Now homework wala MCQs I'm starting. Already I have given you planner. I think I told you from where to where, 15 to 60, correct?
Yes.
क्या 21 to 60 क्या दिया प्लानर? देखो
16 to 50.
so that means still 15 we have to complete in class today, and then remaining is your homework. Now you should be fast because so many sums we did now. First sum homework wala, because from next week I will start new chapter that is called motion in 1D and 2D kinematicals. That I will start, third chapter. If resultant of two unequal vector. What is meaning of unequal?
Either one of them is greater.
That means they are not same, no? Unequal means they are not same.
They are not same.
Is equal to sum of their magnitude. That means if A bar is one vector whose magnitude is A, B bar is one vector whose magnitude is B. They are not same. And their sum is equal to their magnitude. And their sum of these two vector, we are writing A plus B, sum of this magnitude. When we can write? When we can write sum of two vector? Recollect all the notes which I have given. When two vector are dashed, they are added. Two vector are dashed, they are subtracted. Yes. When we can add two vector? to find their magnitude. Seven note we have written. Same direction dash, opposite dash, 90 dash, any angle dash.
Hello.
Huh?
When two vectors are in opposite direction, we add them.
Then we add them. बुक उल्टा पकड़ा क्या आपने? देखो जरा, बुक उल्टा तो नहीं पकड़ लिया? टू वेक्टर इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन वी ऐड, उल्टा रखा है क्या बुक आपने? देखो
नहीं.
फिर रॉन्ग क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
So when opposite direction, then the resultant is different.
अरे यार क्वेश्चन सुनो ना पहले, कुछ भी एब्सर्ड आंसर देने से पहले प्लीज थिंक व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. आई एम टेलिंग व्हेन वी कैन से टू वेक्टर्स आर एडेड, you are giving some different answer. I don't know where link you are getting from, where you are getting. Early morning when you get up, take 10 deep breaths. Breathe. I'm talking about sum, you are talking about difference. What fun. A plus B when we write, tell fast. Gaurav, some highlight when we add.
Sir, when two vectors are in same direction.
अब इतना बार तो बोला है टू वेक्टर इन सेम डायरेक्शन ऐड, फिर भी आप उल्टा क्वेश्चन बोलते हो यार, क्या लगा के रखा है? So same direction means what is angle between them? Same direction means what is angle between them?
0.
0. Now suppose ये नोट दिमाग में आता ही नहीं है, ये तो आएगा ना. To add two vector always we take parallelogram law. ये फॉर्मूला है बराबर. अगर शॉर्टकट नहीं क्लिक होता है तो what it should click? To add the two vector, use parallelogram law, which is root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Now resultant is a plus b, they are saying, will be root of all this, not followed.
Followed.
See, I will not prefer this. I will prefer this. क्योंकि इतना पढ़ा है ना तो ये फटाक से आना चाहिए मुझे. Squaring both sides we get. Squaring both sides we get. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Shruti, tell the formula of a plus b the whole square.
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
A square plus 2ab plus b square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. A square, b square, a square, b square, from both sides we can cancel. So 2ab is 2ab cos theta. Both sides 2ab cancel. What you will get cos theta? How much you will get cos theta? 1.
1.
Cos of which angle is 1?
0.
Cos 0 is 1. तो ये भी मिल गया, angle is 0. ये calculation, ये shortcut. Whichever you feel better, whichever you clicks in the exact, you do by that method. Write both. Krisha, after class wait. Hello Krisha.
Yes, sir. Yes.
After class wait for 2 minutes.
10, sir.
Okay. Next second. Resultant of two vectors A and B. Resultant of two vectors A and B is given by resultant. What is meaning of this two line? Meaning of this,
Modulus.
correct. So can I say magnitude of vector R they are telling?
Yes.
Is difference of two vectors magnitude?
Yeah.
When we say this, when they are in opposite,
Opposite direction.
so that means what will be angle between A and B?
180.
Correct. This is what I want with confidence. Is 180. Correct. 180. Done. Can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third. If A bar plus B bar is A bar minus B bar, then magnitude of B is A bar plus B bar is A bar minus B bar, so I can cancel A bar. So it will become 2B bar equal to 0. Therefore, B bar equal to 0. So option B. B option. Completed?
Yes, sir.
4, 1. Fourth. If A vector's magnitude is 2 and B vector's magnitude is 4, angle between them is 60 degree, then find what is A bar minus B bar's magnitude. Very beautiful sum. A bar is having magnitude 2 and B bar has magnitude 4. Angle between them is 60 degree. We want difference. Difference means B ka ulta, na?
Yes.
That means you want minus B bar, na?
Yeah.
A and minus B vector का I want sum. वो ये diagonal होता है ना? बताया था शायद आपको पहले.
Yes.
ये वाला होएगा A bar plus B bar और ये वाला होएगा A bar minus B bar. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is this angle now?
120.
120. So whenever you are finding difference, then angle becomes 180 minus that. So ये A और B का 60, तो difference का बीच में 180. So what is your resultant then? A square plus B square minus 2AB into cos theta लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि अभी मैंने minus लिख दिया इधर. So difference will become 2AB into cos of theta. Okay.
Yes.
Now A is 2 square, B is 4, minus 2 into 2 into 4 into cos 60 in root. Any doubt?
No.
So 4 plus 16 minus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4, 16, cos 60 half, 2 into 8 in root. So 22, 20 minus 8 is 12. 12 we can write 4 into 3. That will become 2 root 3. This is the answer. 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Option D. Hello? हाँ. Okay. अभी टाइम तो मुझे बोला नहीं है, आएंगे बोला है. हाँ हाँ, तो जब भी आप जाने हो उसके पहले फोन करना, तो मैं बोलूंगा नहीं कोई.
Fine, sir.
Okay. 16. Fifth one. Two vectors having magnitude 8 and 10 can have maximum and minimum value of how much? Two vector magnitude 8 and magnitude 10. What is maximum possibility, Rishita? Maximum what they can have value? Yes, Rishita? Maximum value what they can have?
10.
10 plus 8, 18. And minimum what they will have?
10 minus 6.
10 minus 6.
So always maximum is addition, minimum is subtraction. So let us see whether this option is available. 18 and 2, yes, option C, copy.
Done.
Sixth one. Resultant of vector A and B. Resultant of vector A and B makes an angle alpha with A and beta with B. Then what is correct one? एक थोड़ा सा hint देता हूं आपको. From diagram you can tell me who is greater from diagram.
A.
A is greater, clearly it is visible. Very good. ऐसा आंसर अच्छा दो. Now this is resultant. From your eye, can you make out alpha is small or beta is small?
Alpha is small.
Correct. So I have concluded one thing. Resultant makes smaller angle with larger vector. Please write this much. Draw diagram this one and write this. Resultant makes smaller angle with larger vector.
Done.
Now I'm reading that sum. Resultant of AB makes angle alpha with A and beta with B. Then alpha is less than B. Can we say this? Alpha less than B?
Yes.
Yes.
नहीं ना, न कैसे बोल सकते हैं? आपको A और B के बारे में मालूम ही नहीं है, तो इसमें कुछ बोला ही नहीं, ना सर ना पैर, ऐसे ही बोल दिया अल्फा लेस देन B. We can't ना. You have to check A बड़ा B बड़ा, तभी मालूम पड़ेगा ना who is smaller. So A not possible because we don't know any relation between A and B. Second one, alpha is greater, then what should be? A smaller or larger? If alpha is greater,
Smaller.
then A should be smaller. This is what I know. Let me see whether my and their thought is matching. Yes, this is correct, है ना? A छोटा, angle मोटा. A मोटा, angle छोटा. Alpha is मोटा, that means A is छोटा. Got it?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. गणेश,
Yes, sir.
हाँ बस क्या सही आवाज निकाला भी आप? इतने देर तक चुपचाप थे. See, those who are trying for medicine, every day is challenge for you. Don't be lethargic and take things granted. You have to work properly, well-planned manner for 2 years till your entrance exam. Now everybody's result is declared, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
नहीं, ISC वाले का हो गया, स्टेट बोर्ड का हो गया ना शायद.
हाँ, ICSC and state.
So CBSE is left.
CBSE is pending. Okay. How much you got? Anybody from ICSE? I think Pratham.
Yes, sir.
What is your percentage? How much?
91.
91. And physics, how much?
I haven't seen the paper. I was in next class, so mother and sister has saw the paper.
Okay. Atharva, how much you got?
Sir, 90.6.
90.6. And in physics?
Physics 85.
85. See, this year many students have got less in physics. One of my students got 95 in physics. Her total percentage is 95.7. ये highest आया. Maybe because अगर final exam रहता तो आपका percentage और बढ़ता था ना?
Sir, we have 97 and 98 in physics.
No, total तो highest is 100 in physics. Highest is 100. Many students might have got 100. But overall last year से कम 100 वाले इस बार. वही टॉपर का तो 499 है ना आउट ऑफ 500. कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल की एक लड़की है. डू यू नो दिस? कल आया था न्यूज में ये. So your competition is with these peoples.
Done, sir.
Seventh one. At what angle should the two forces 2P and root 2P should act so that resultant is P root 10? Can you try this by using our formula? Yes, can you try?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Just-
sir.
Yeah, try. Don't be bothered about right wrong. At least formula you write properly. this formula. And if you arrange properly, I don't foresee you will get wrong result. Silly mistakes, yes, should be avoided slowly.
Sir, I got 45 degrees.
Yes, I think I will also get same. See, we both are on same track. Theta is 45 degree, even I got. Others also got same 45 degree?
Yes.
Okay.
Done, sir.
8 now. 8. Two vectors are such that their magnitude of sum is same as magnitude of difference. Then angle between them. Abhi, what is formula for magnitude of sum? Tell me formula for magnitude of sum. A square plus
b square plus 2ab cos theta. And for the
difference
other
wala?
side, a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta.
अरे सही दिल जीत लिया आपने. Now squaring both sides. What will get? A square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta is a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. A square cancel, b square cancel. 4ab cos theta will be 0, cos theta 0, therefore theta equal to 90 degree. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, write down.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, if two vectors are equal and their resultant is also equal to one of them, then angle between two vectors is. सोच के बोलो जरा.
Sir, 120 degrees.
Correct. Perfect. Others also got same answer. 120 degree. हेलो
Yes.
हाँ ये संतोष अपना स्केलर वेक्टर जो भेजा है ना बच्चे लोग को उसको ओपन करो होमवर्क वाला पार्ट निकालो हाँ हो जाएगा तो फिर मुझे फोन करना मैं लेक्चर में हूँ उसके बाद में कॉल करना ओपन होके हुआ तुरंत कॉल करना टेंथ वन टेंथ ninth answer all of you got 120 degree
Yes, sir.
Yes.
okay tenth if a bar is b bar plus c bar see whenever it is like this actually it is bar ये bold letter है उधर दिख नहीं रहा printing में आपको magnitude of a b c is 5 4 3 so is it like 5 square is 4 square plus 3 square
Yes.
so it is right angle triangle
Yeah.
who is hypotenuse
A bar.
5.
5 becomes hypotenuse so this is a this is b this is c we want angle between a and c so this angle we want correct
60 degrees.
so what will be cos theta what will be cos theta
5/3.
3 upon 5 cos angle cannot be greater than 1 3 upon 5 so theta will become cos inverse of 3 upon 5 option a हेलो 9th क्वेश्चन पे आ जाओ 9th होमवर्क वाला हाँ आया अरे यार ओके वो आएगा तभी फोन करना संतोष को मैं लेक्चर में आया क्या रीड करो जरा हाँ अभी वो देखो रिजल्टेंट के पहले बहुत सारा कुछ टाइप हुआ है ना सी 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 ऐसा नहीं मुझे तो मैंने करेक्ट करा है क्या आपसे बात है क्योंकि मुझे तो सी 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 बहुत दिख रहा है ये ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है अभी ये वाला भेजना है मुझे फिर जो करेक्ट वाला है हाँ सुनो सुनो पहले क्या करना है आपको क्या बोला मैंने इसके पहले हाँ तो हो गया अभी चलो करेक्ट इसको टेंशन मत करो रोटेशनल मोशन का मेरे को शीट भेजना अपना जो 12th वाला है 12th का रोटेशनल मोशन विद एमसीक्यू हेलो
Yes, sir.
yes 12th now sum number 12 no sum number 11 if a and b are non-zero vector having equal magnitude then angle between a and their difference is can we predict angle between a and their difference without knowing angle between A and B?
No.
अभी वो लोग ने क्या बोला है, दो वेक्टर है, वो दोनों जीरो नहीं है, तो एक वेक्टर A है, एक वेक्टर B, दे दोनों जीरो नहीं है, तो व्हाट इज एंगल बिटवीन A and this A bar minus B bar, ये एंगल पूछा है. How will come to know unless until we don't know this? So can I say it is dependent on orientation of A and B, मतलब angle of A and B,
Yes, sir.
मतलब ये एंगल अगर थीटा 60 तो ये 120 होएगा ना, and so on.
Yes.
So it depends upon what? Angle between A and B.
And B.
Option D. D option. Without knowing that angle, you cannot say anything.
Yes, okay.
Sum number 12th. Read 12th.
For the resultant of two vectors to be maximum, what must be the angle between them?
Yes, to get resultant maximum, what is angle? Use your common sense now. Already we did few sums.
$90.
90 is wrong. कौन सा कॉमन सेंस यूज किया? रिजल्टेंट मैक्सिमम कभी आता है? कम से कम 5 बार बता के हो गया. मैक्सिमम ऐड, मिनिमम सबट्रैक्ट, तो मैक्सिमम ऐड कभी करते हैं?
0 degrees.
तो 90 क्यों बोल रहे हो आप लोग?
Sorry sir, मैं perpendicular वाला theorem.
कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते ना यार. तो पूरा अपना 4 साल होएगा तो भी नहीं आपको क्लिक होएगा फिर तो. राइट एंगल 0, इतना क्लियर कट. जस्ट नाउ वी डिड वन सम, 10 + 8 18 आया, 10 - 8 2 आया, तो मैक्सिमम के लिए ऐड किया था, मिनिमम के लिए सबट्रैक्ट कभी करते हैं. 0 पे ऐड, 180 पे सबट्रैक्ट ना. So answer is A, which is 0. 13. This is important for most of the colleges will ask this if you have college exam in terms of MCQ. Minimum number of force of unequal magnitude, whose vector sum can be 0. मतलब बोल रहा है कि कितना फोर्स ना रहेगा 1 2 3 4 so that the result will be 0. अभी एक अकेला का रिजल्ट 0 होगा क्या? बोलो. ये अकेला है, फोर्स 5 न्यूटन, 0 है क्या ये?
No.
मतलब अकेला फोर्स 0 नहीं हो सकता है ना. 2 0 हो सकता है क्या? 2
नहीं.
देखते हैं. 2 0 हो सकता है if it is equal and opposite, correct?
Yes.
But they are telling they are not equal, means I can't have 5 with 5. Not followed.
Follow.
मतलब if there are suppose two vectors 3 4 they are not equal, इसका रिजल्ट 5 है ना. सॉरी, अगर परपेंडिकुलर होएगा तो 5 है ना.
Yes.
इसका उल्टा एक लूंगा तो ये 3 मिलके 0 हो सकता है ना. 3 4 और ये 5 मिलके 0 हो सकता है ना.
Yes.
नहीं समझा लगता है. Two forces if they are unequal never they can be 0, because maximum is add and minimum is subtract, where it will become 0. Not possible, na? So it has to be how much minimum? 3.
3.
If there are minimum 3 unequal, we can get answer 0. So minimum how many we can have?
3.
3. Yes, right answer. 3. Logic followed. Why 3? Hello?
Sir, understood.
See, वापस देखो, ध्यान से सुनो. 2 means 2. Equal opposite can become 0, but they are telling they are not equal. So minimum how many I should have? 3 to get answer 0. So do you follow this logic?
Yes.
What do you follow? Tell me. After the lecture, you also wait. You don't know what to write the answer in parallelogram law. Last 3 lectures I have been giving you. One 14th one now. For the figure, this is they have given triangle. Last test I had asked triangle law, and few students are drawing triangle law and this vector, but no arrow on this. Without arrow, you will get 0 mark, because if you are not putting arrow, that means you are not taking them as a vector. So which is correct in this by triangle law? 3 options
A
are
is the
given.
resultant.
How beta? Which is whose resultant?
A is the resultant.
A is resultant. Which one is resultant? Can you tell in words? Opposite order vector is resultant, na?
Yeah.
So it should be C plus A is equals to B, right?
Opposite vector is resultant. So who is opposite here? B, na?
Yes, sir. That's what
So
like
C
C plus A.
plus A will be B. This is correct one. That is option C. Fifteen. Fifteenth one. A force of 6 Newton and another of 8 can be applied together to produce effect of which one of this? If P is 6, Q is 8, they can give effect equal to what? 1 or 11 or 15 or 20.
15.
Who is saying this 15?
Sammi Krisha.
Risha, how you predicted this 15 as a answer? What logic you have applied? Tell me so that I can understand where you are going right or wrong.
Oh, sir, I thought like it is 7. So I just added 8 plus 7. So it got 50. So that is wrong.
Okay, that means you realize that 15 is not the answer.
Yeah.
So think next. Yes, Ganesh, any?
Sir, 11.
कौन बोला ये? प्रथम?
Sir, I also think that it is 11, but I'm not so sure
Who-
because
who-
the maximum can.
No, 11
Before
who
me,
said? I
think-
think Atharva said, na? 11?
Yes, before me, Atharva said.
Atharva, you are exactly, perfectly right. Because maximum can be 14 and minimum can be 2 और इसके बीच वाला भी रहेगा ना कुछ भी.
हाँ.
2 और 14 का बीच में जो भी आएगा वो सब है, including 2 and 4. So they have given first option 1. Definitely it is not between 2 and 14. This is not answer. 11 will come, no in between. So B is the answer. 15 cannot come, 20 cannot come. So everything between 2 and 14 inclusive of this 2 will be the answer. B is the answer. Followed?
Yes.
Sir.
So see, this chapter is like it will take you on the task. How faster your brain works उसके ऊपर है. Calculation कम है इसमें, सोचने का बहुत ज्यादा है. 15th. So today we stop here. I have given you the planner which I have posted. Those who have joined late, they can see that. Krisha will wait for 2 minutes. Shruti will also wait.
Sir,
Yes, dear.
can I submit my test?